In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve audio quality for Google Meet in just 5 minutes. Whether you're having an important work meeting or catching up with friends, clear audio can make all the difference in your conversation. So let's dive into some practical steps to enhance your audio experience. First things first, let's check your microphone and audio settings. Often, the core of any audio issue lies in improper configuration. Before joining any meeting, make sure to open your device's audio settings and verify that your microphone is selected. Ensure it's not muted to guarantee that your voice will transmit successfully during a call. Once you've joined a meeting, double check that your selected microphone is working and unmuted. You may notice an option to test your microphone within Google Meet, which can give you real-time feedback on what's being picked up. Now, it's important to look at your physical setup. Be mindful of your speaker's proximity to the microphone. Feedback noise or echo can occur if they're too close. Keeping them at a safe distance helps maintain a clean audio signal. Pay attention to your surroundings, specifically reflective surfaces like walls or desks. Sound waves bouncing off these surfaces can distort your voice. If possible, reposition your microphone or add some soft materials around you like curtains or cushions to absorb excess sound. For an optimal audio experience, consider using a headset with a built-in microphone. These devices often have superior sound quality compared to computer or phone microphones, and can greatly reduce background noise and echo. Next, let's evaluate your network connection, as it plays a significant role in maintaining good audio quality. Running an internet speed test before a meeting will help you identify if your connection is strong enough to support a smooth conversation. Ideally, you'll need a stable and somewhat fast connection. If you encounter stability issues due to Wi-Fi, consider switching from a 2.4 GHz to a 5 GHz connection. Alternatively, using a wired Ethernet connection can provide a more reliable signal, preventing jitter in your audio. Moving on to your device, make sure it's in good condition. Keep your browser updated to benefit from the latest features and fixes. Allow Google Meet access to your microphone, checking browser permissions to ensure they're correctly set. Finally, here are some bonus tips. If ever you're struggling in the middle of a call, you can try turning off your video. Doing so frees up bandwidth for audio, which could enhance quality further. Alternatively, joining by phone or using the mobile app can sometimes offer improved performance. These adjustments should vastly improve your audio quality on Google Meet, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear. Hopefully, these steps help you communicate effectively in your next video call. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tips.